Hello everyone, welcome back to Avidator, where we make learning for the 11+ exams simple and fun. Today we're exploring the world of Roman numerals. These are the numbers the Romans used over 2,000 years ago, and we still see them today. So let's learn how to read and write Roman numerals together. Roman numerals use letters to represent numbers. Let's start with some basics. Here are the key symbols you'll need to know. I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. Hence you know these, you can combine them to make other numbers. Let's see how it works. To form numbers, you combine these letters. For example, 2i is 2 because it's I plus I. And 3i is 3, or I plus I plus I. But once we reach 4, things change a bit. Instead of writing 4 i's in a row, we use subtraction. So 4 is written as IV. Think of it as 5 minus 1. And a quick reminder, if you're enjoying these videos and want to become a maths master, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any helpful tips. Now let's go over some of the basic rules to make Roman numerals easy to understand. If a smaller numeral is after a larger one, you add it. For example, VI is 6, because 5 plus 1 to 6. If a smaller numeral is before a larger one, you subtract it. For instance, IV is 4, because 5 minus 1 to 4. You can only repeat the same numeral up to 3 times in a row. For example, 3i is 3, but for 4 we write IV. Let's practice with a few examples. Okay, what does I mean? We have V for 5, then I and another I. So that's 5 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 7. Great work! Now let's try a larger number, like 14. To write this, we start with X for 10. Then for 4, we use IV. So 14 is written as XIV. Alright, here's another one, IX. Remember, when a smaller numeral is before a larger one, we subtract. So IX is 9, because it's 10 minus 1. Let's go even higher. How about 29? First we use X for 10, and we need 2 of them, so we write XX for 20. For the 9, we write IX. So 29 becomes XXIX. Here's a helpful tip. Remember the key letters by grouping them. Think of I, V and X as the small numbers and L, C, D, M as the bigger ones. This will help you remember what each one represents. Alright, it's your turn. Let's see if you can figure these out. What is XV in numbers? Did you get 15? Brilliant, let's try another one. Convert 32 to Roman numerals. If you wrote XXIX, you're spot on. That's 30 plus 2, or XXX plus II. Well done, everyone. Roman numerals are a fun way to represent numbers, and with a bit of practice, they'll become second nature. Keep practicing by converting numbers around you to Roman numerals, and soon you'll be a pro. Thanks for watching Avidator's 11+ Maths number series. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you with your 11+ exams. See you in the next video. Happy learning!